about selling your home, whether it's next month or next year, there are things that you can do right now that will make that process go smoothly and maximize your home's equity.
That's right. Here at Onward Realty Partners, we specialize in guiding homeowners through the selling process, and we're dedicated to helping you get the best price for your home on your timeline.
Yep. The key to a successful home sale is early preparation. Even if you're not planning to sell for a while, there are small steps that will make a huge difference later.
That's right. So let's talk about a few things you can do starting right now to get your home market ready.
Well, first, let's tackle those minor repairs. Fixing things like a leaky faucet, a cracked tile, squeaky doors. They may seem small, but they can make a big difference to buyers and prevent issues during the inspection process.
That's right, Jennifer. So next, let's consider giving your home a deep clean, and I mean a deep clean. So take a room a week or a room a day and take care of that. So maybe a few simple cosmetic updates, fresh coat of paint, updated lighting. These small improvements can really boost your home's appeal and increase your chances of getting higher offers.
I think we used to call that sweat equity.
That's right.
Another thing is decluttering. Clean, clutter-free space makes your home feel larger and more inviting. If you haven't been using something for the last couple of years, don't pack it up and move it to the next place.
And let's not forget about curb appeal. First impressions make a big difference. So keep up your lawn, maybe some fresh landscaping, or even update your front door. So this can have a huge impact on really just that first impression.
Oh yeah, and remember, we've got somebody for all of these things.
That's right.
Our goal is to bulletproof your transaction by addressing those potential issues before the home hits the market. This way, you can avoid delays, keep the process going smoothly, and maximize your dollar.
That's right. So here at Onward Realty Partners, we are one of Central Indiana's top-ranked teams. Yeah, absolutely. So 95% of our business comes from referrals and repeat clients, and we're here to be your realtor for life. So give us a call, let us know how we can help, and let's get those homes ready for the market.
Have a great day.